Guys, good morning. Bagong video, bagong binutbot na Zad. Mag-fishing ta diri sa Green Lake. This is our 6 days fishing. At least may ano na yung mga bata, pagkaabalahan, diba? At saka magandang weather today, so fishing ulit. Kahapon nakakuha kami ng dalawa. Sana today pagpala rin makakuha din kami. Alright, let's go. Balik kami dito sa Green Lake para mag fishing ulit. 6 day na namin to. So ngayon magpalipad lang ako ng drone para makita niyo yung view dito sa Green Lake. At saka good weather today, so maganda din mag fishing. Ginagawa ko to para at least yung mga bata malibang din, marunong din sila mag fishing kasi hindi na winter so kailangan mo talaga na mag ano ng mga activities para ma-enjoy naman yung mga bata. Alright, let's go.
Let them stare, I don't care at all. Whether they approve or not, wanna put on a show for all. Wanna put on a show for all. Gotta brag about you now. Gotta make it official. Wanna put on a show for all. Wanna put on a show for all. Wanna show the world, yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanna show the world, I wanna show the world, I wanna show the world, yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanna show the world, I wanna show the world. Trace my skin, let them see what you mean to me, boy. Hey, it's me, just landed. I'll see you in a bit. Don't you dare go anywhere. Got a certain vibe about you, love the way that you move when you walk through. Let me trace the lines on your new ink. Yeah, I'm into you. Yeah, it's true that I love making the scene, take you downtown, make a memory in the back room. Who's that king with the confident eyes, making them stare in the club? Yeah, I know that is you. Top down, cruising with the city lights on, my feet up on the dash, living life so fast now. Hope you can see the fame at your face on my page. Get used to my fans, I'll screaming your name now. Fuck with the gossip, I don't fuck with the fakes. I'm a real one, baby, don't get caught by the snakes now. Boys be salty that I don't give them time. Girls get jealous, too gun to a ponytail. I adore you, I wanna be your girl, don't stress. I'll pay for the whole damn check.
Trivia tayo. Ito pala yung Green Lake is 994 acres. Then yung sa shoreline niya is 16.4 miles. Medyo malaki-laki din. So maganda dito. Ngayon fishing kami. Wala pang ano ng fish. Okay? So nice throw. Nandito kayo ngayon sa Green Lake. I hope maka-ulam tayo. Alright. How is it, ate? Alright. Ano na ako? Mag-fishing na. Alright, tara. Throw easy. How is it? You throw. Nice throw. Mag-down mo ka para mo down kay nang imo ang ano. I teach you how to catch. Right? What can you say you catch fish?
This is easy fish, naman!
Yeah, but the same fish.
Can I stop gonna?
Okay. You get one, big one. Are you happy? Thumbs up.
Wait,
Huh?
is it the same thing?
Yep, same thing. Easy. How many catch do you have yesterday
One,
and today?
two, no, that's one.
Yeah, so it's total 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ngayon, after this one, i-let go na namin. Yeah. Kasi tama na yung dalawa pang ulam. Saka malaki talaga, it's huge, man. I think it's like the other one, it's 3 kilos na pike. So, enjoy girls. Ito yung lake. Dito kami nag-fishing. Yep. I'm so happy girls. I'm so proud of you. Dalawa na yung nakuha namin na fish. Yung first, si Amara na yung nakakuha. Yung next, si Easy. Alright.
I caught 2 fish.
May ulam na kami mamaya. Fish and ano naman, chips ulit. Alright.